Hello and welcome to 90 Riverwalk Drive in Markham. Welcome to this beautiful, bright and spacious, upgraded 2,816 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with a gorgeous stone front. This house is south-facing with lots of sunlight, across the Riverwalk Park, and 3-minute walk to David Suzuki Public School. Great opportunity for family with children. Upgrades include maple floors throughout, upgraded kitchen cabinets with quartz kitchen island and countertops, all stainless steel appliances, baseboards and trims, Bosch washer, dryer, 2 ensuite baths with jacuzzi, quartz vanity tops, pot lights galore, and good-sized bedrooms. A pleasure to view. Call today for a viewing.